Stick around to learn how Slack and AI can help salespeople save hours. For our salespeople here at Salesforce, the most important part of the job is making strong connections. They need to connect with their customers and with their own team. But sometimes those connections require a lot of information. A good salesperson needs to know the customer, feel their pain, and have solutions for their problems. And that takes homework, and all that homework takes time. But it's a crucial step in the process, so the sales team can't slack on it. Or can they? That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how the Salesforce sales team uses Slack and Einstein to get up to speed quickly when they meet with clients, which has saved them 257,000 hours of employee time so far. So let's say you're a new account executive at Salesforce and you've got a meeting with a prospect. We'll call them Acme. And since you're new to this account, you'll actually don't know a whole lot about them or what they need. Now, when you look back at the Slack channel for that client, it's got a bunch of files you need to read to get up to speed. And some of those are huge. Like, have you ever tried reading a public company's annual report? Yeah, it'll put you to sleep, especially if all you want is a few key pieces of information that you can use. Well, right there in the workflow, you can ask Einstein for exactly what you need to know. And it knows in this context that you just want information from the uploaded documents. So it reads the documents way faster than any human can, and it actually understands what it's reading and can summarize the relevant parts. Now, this is a lot more digestible. You can also tag Einstein in the channel the same way you would a person. So just @ Einstein and ask it a really important question. What are the challenges that Acme is facing in the year ahead? And just like that, you get this organized summary of their pain points, but one in particular really jumps out at you. They're facing major supply chain disruptions, and Salesforce just happens to have a few products that could solve that problem. So if you ask which products would help the customer with that issue, Einstein seamlessly connects you to another agent called Jarvis, which has a deep knowledge of all of Salesforce's products. And Jarvis gives you the info you need and a knowledge base if you need to dive deeper. So now it's time to create a POV for this, and you guessed it, all you got to do is ask Einstein. Here's your POV, and it has all the context of what you know about Acme, specifically about supply chain issues. Great, so homework done, easy peasy. Now, let's set up a meeting with your team to go over this info and discuss the next steps. Can Einstein do that for you? What do you think? Of course it can. Now, you don't even have to leave Slack. It checks everyone's calendar and gives you some options. And now, just a few minutes after you started, the only thing left to do is close that deal. Well, that's it for today, everybody. Hey, to learn more about how Salesforce can help you and your business, click the link on screen, and I'll also drop a few resources in the description because I care about you all. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.